understand how we can actually address it. So my view here is, if you are getting patient level data, and this is for India, is it?
Yep.
Oh. So if you are getting patient level information, and if it is coming, so say for example, if I am a doctor, I am making a prescription, what is the lead, what is the lag in information flow towards you? Are you getting at the end of the day, or are you getting after a week, so on and so forth? That needs to be looked at. And then you need to, I think, I'm not able to think, because there are a lot of PI restrictions. So if you are getting a patient level information also, you will never get to know my name, or patient's name, right? The only thing, the best thing that you can do is do a robust demand forecasting, right? Basis the historical data, understand what is the volume and type of formulation you are getting to see. Do a demand forecasting, make your product available with probably stock in trade days of X days at the hospital pharmacy. I think that will solve the problem. No need to think about AI or ML at this point of time, I would say.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, hi.
Sorry, I would just want to add, with data also comes the responsibility. So the question was a little uncomfortable when he asked, is also because patient level data is something which is non-compliant at a certain level. It is anonymous data, I think, that is there. So I just want to add that in the exuberance of using data, we should not also be non-compliant. And data privacy is kind of the highest importance. Like, as a company, we are obviously very, very compliant. There are certain restrictions for data, huge restrictions for data, dashboards, etc. So I'm just, this thing would be, we should respect data privacy, and also see what are the pharma vigilance that is there, and that kind of also comes into play as you think about it. So we should never overstep in the enthusiasm of saying, okay, if I have this data, obviously, like in India, patient level data is something which is which is not allowed. No, it is.
But understand all these complications, sensitivities around patient data, and as my colleague said, don't even think of AI at this point of time. Chart it out where the problem is, what do you want to achieve.
That can be automated.
That can be automated, yeah.
That can be automated, but if you want to do based on, because see, the volume of information that you are receiving today might get 10x tomorrow, right? So if you build certain model based on the current capacity of data volume that you are getting to see, you need to think about the scalability as well, uncertainties as well, and then you have to maintain it as well, which will incur cost. So if you are willing to invest so much on that, we can certainly explore the option. But otherwise, your problem is, in my view, your problem is around demand management. That's it. Understand what is the demand, do the forecasting, and ensure that your accounts to whom you are supplying, they have adequate supply, or adequate number of units sitting there. That's it.
How much time do we have? Sorry. So we have 5 minutes, guys. Any other questions?
Yeah, I have one question here. Right, it's not a AI question per se.